guys, it's your boy Huggy here. We're out for a little ride, a little Saturday afternoon. Well, I guess early evening at this point. Taking the Fat Boy out. I'm gonna go do a couple 0 to 60 runs. That's actually one of, I never really timed this thing to see what it could do, but I'm gonna go over here by this. I think there's a spot over by this little airport. I should have enough room to get up to some speed without any cops bothering me. I want a good spot where I could do actually, you know, a couple passes without disturbing anybody. Should be in an alright spot. Beautiful, beautiful day today. What a Saturday. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been here before, welcome. If you're a first timer, hit that like and that subscribe. I actually got some footage today for a couple car shows that I went to, so I'll be dropping those out. I took a little time to take the badges off of this bike. I'll be dropping that soon. The ones that I had bought don't fit. And I tried to bend them a little bit to get the curvature different, and they ended up snapping. They were junky knockoffs, but still a little disappointing. You don't know the story of this bike. I've only actually had it about a year, and I'm not in love with it. I don't really like the anniversary badges. The black and silver is okay, but I kind of just rush purchased when I moved here from out of state, and just wanted something to ride. And this bike was actually, it's in pristine condition, so I thought, even though I don't love it, at least it's, you know, it's in good shape. And then for a while there, I was trying to sell it. I couldn't get anything for it. 4,000 was the most. And I thought, no way, dude. There's, you know, there's people selling Sportsters for more than that around here. So I was like, nah, forget it. I'll just keep it and try and do different things, since I didn't really care about too much. So I just started just messing around, putting handlebars, rewired the controls and stuff, just doing the badges just for the heck of it. And now my son just got his license, so he's been practicing on this one. I think he dropped it like 2 or 3 times, so I was like, whatever, who cares, dude. So anyway, without these badges on there, it just feels naked. I don't know. It's weird. I can't even explain it really. Yeah, so it's like 4:30. There is a bike night tonight, and that's about, I don't know, like 45 minutes from here. So I might just do these 0 to 60 runs and then cruise up to that. It's really kind of too hot though. Like I said, it's like 95 degrees out actually. I'm actually also looking for a place where I could like practice some burnouts and wheelies on the Dyna. This way. trying to get out back behind that airport. See, so there's a lot of quiet country roads where you could probably mess around, but I'm looking for a spot where there's not going to be any traffic. No boats, no deer, no four-wheelers, no horse trailers. Really just looking for I think this is going to be it. Came through here before and I was able to crank it up to about 90, so I should be able to do some 0 to 60 running. Let's see what these two cars are. So what we're going to do here, guys, is got a 2003 Fat Boy Stage 2. It's got HQ 34 cam. Got the Vance & Hine drag pipes. K&N high flow air filter. Power Commander 3 tuner. It's dyno tuned at 82 horsepower. And it's torquey. It'll rip. I used to have an 05 Fat Boy that definitely wasn't as torquey as this thing. So I'm going to do a couple 0 to 60s. Just see what kind of speed I can get going on this thing. Alright, we're going to give it a grip right here. Alright, work this, give me a second. Try another one here. Yeah, boy. Whoop! She got some giddy up. See if we can hit a couple though. That's 60. Shit's 30 mile an hour. Woo! Alright, so I was going to be done making another. I actually don't think the app was actually going to time it. So the guy's already nosy. His whole purpose of all that turning around to see was what I was doing. Is that your stuff? Yeah, it's my stuff. I'm just gonna do 2 more with this sucker running. U-turns are tight. And I'm getting somebody coming. Alright, one more this way. Don't treat me bad, girl. Try that again. Oh gosh, I'm in second gear. It don't always go as planned, folks. There it is, 60 there.